Nissan has fused traditional Japanese culture and craftsmanship with American grit and utility in its sleek new concept car. I'm Mandy Kovacs with IT World Canada, and I had a chance to explore this fascinating experimental vehicle at the 2018 Canadian International Auto Show in Toronto. The XMotion is the result of a global collaboration between Nissan's Japanese design team and its American counterpart over the span of a few years. Its exterior was made to be big and rugged enough to handle the harsh North American landscape, while its interior reflects the poised beauty and comfort of Japanese design.
This is, we feel it's like a bridge between the Eastern, Western, or newness, or human, or things like a really strong feature for the center console. And then you can get the view of the interesting LED portion to showing the Mount Fuji silhouette. To showing the interior, it's a little bit more bigger scope of the appearance. And then you get in the car and then seeing the more interesting detail. Mainly for the, first of all, it's the more wooden detail that we inspired by the Japanese architecture and craftsmanship. And then the other detailing also is coming from the lot of interesting Japanese textiles and materials and detailing. So that we combine into one interior design. Finally, we got a very elegant solution rather than complex solution that we are happy about that showing today.
The minimalist design, full of bold, contrasting colors, makes every feature on this SUV pop. The interior boasts individual streamlined seats that look like they belong in a high-end movie theater. There's also an end-to-end dashboard screen with a koi fish personal assistant to help guide drivers, as well as a center console made from traditional Japanese wood stretching from the front seats to the back.
The technology is more to the front side. You can see the bunch of screen in front of you. It's connecting the real world and then the digital world into one. So that's why we putting the bunch of the screen on the lineup just for the under the visibility area to enjoy the real world and the digital world in the same time. And then you can see the koi. Of course, it's influenced by Japanese heritage, but this is your personal assistant. So any information that you command on the console, the koi is jump into the center screen and showing the information. So that's also the interesting in the process rather than just information coming directly to you. So we have some intuitively interaction between the your command and then the information. Between that, we have some idea to get more unique experience for the interior design.
Possibly the coolest thing about the XMotion is a spinning control device levitating about an inch above the console thanks to magnetic forces. While its purpose has yet to be set in the concept car, Nissan says that it can be used for just about anything, like controlling the vehicle's temperature or music.
Right now, it's anything. It's anything. We don't say particular function now, so it's like more like a design gadget today. But in the future, maybe we can, same thing. It's more, function in it. So more interesting function, maybe smells or sound or whatever. Yeah, we are looking for interesting solution for this.
You likely won't see the XMotion on the road at any point, given that it's just an experimental concept vehicle, but you could see a few of its features integrated into future Nissan vehicles, so keep your eyes peeled. Once again, for IT World Canada, I'm Mandy Kovacs. Stay tuned for our next videos exploring both Lexus and Toyota's new concept cars.